David Caseley. Catch the bull by the horns. Fast Market Insights.
Welcome back. Spring has arrived finally. Here's your market in a minute for the week ending Friday, May 8th. Big picture, markets continue to grind higher this week, but the tone shifted. Less about relief, more about earnings, flow through, and rate expectation. Investors are still balancing resilient growth against sticky inflation, against a higher for longer rate backdrop. The result, modest upside with selective leadership and underlying volatility. Canada, TSX moved slightly higher, supported by stabilization in commodities. Canada remained tethered to commodities and rates, with global macro still dictating direction. United States, the S&P extended gains up about 2%, but leadership continued to narrow. Earnings seasons drove performance, rewarding companies with strong margins and guidance. Markets are now firmly in a prove-it phase. Earnings matter, and valuation is back under scrutiny. In Europe, European equities were steady to slightly higher, continued their relative strength. European continues to benefit from rotation and relative value positioning, though momentum is beginning to be measured. Oil steadied after the April volatility, no longer pricing crisis, but still sensitive to geopolitical headlines, currently at $96 a barrel. Gold held firm, up about 1%, supported by yields and ongoing macro uncertainty. Looking ahead, markets are settling into a more disciplined environment, where earnings, rates, and data will drive returns and not headlines. With valuation stretched in pockets and policy still restrictive, upside looks incremental, not explosive. Positioning, stay selective, focus on quality, pricing power, and income. Avoid chasing narrow leadership. That's your market in a minute. So stay bullish, stay curious, and watch for stampedes.